President-elect Donald Trump has proposed tariffs to boost domestic manufacturing and reduce reliance on foreign goods. However, similar measures under Trump and Biden fell short, and studies suggest these tariffs could raise consumer costs, fueling inflation and straining household budgets. The Federal Reserve's latest minutes indicate a possible December rate cut, contingent on November employment data. If not in December, a January cut is likely, although we foresee a delicate balance between inflation and growth, making monetary policy less clear in the coming 6 months. Bitcoin's price movements over the past week have been driven by its approach to the significant milestone of $100,000 and uncertain monetary policy expectations, resulting in notable price volatility. The 100,000 level represents a strong psychological and technical barrier, and significant resistance is expected at this price point. Ethereum has bucked the trend, recording over $1 billion of inflows this month. This shift appears driven by improved sentiment surrounding the Beam chain proposal. Additionally, a sharp increase in futures market activity underscores renewed optimism in what has been the underperformer of the crypto space this year. That's it for this market update. Follow CoinShares for more insights.